Today I'm going to show you how to mount the Chubby Cubby inside the useless cubby of a 1995 to 97 Toyota Land Cruiser, attaching the Bolt Point Mounting Solutions 5-inch Picatinny rail. To install this, the first thing you're going to do is take a Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 Phillips screws there and there. Once those 2 screws are removed, you're going to take the 6-inch long bolt, thread it into this little F-shaped looking bracket. Thread it in to where the bracket is tight, just a little bit of drag on the back side of the mount. This screw is straight up and down. It gives us a good visual point. I'm going to slide it in the hole, rotate the screw 90 degrees, rotating that bracket. That bracket clips on a metal bar underneath the dash, so it gives you 3 points of contact. 2 screws right there, big hook in back, sucking this thing tight with a proper standoff, making it a strong attachment. Slide that in, rotate it 90 degrees. We're going to take one of the machine screws that come in the Bolt Point Mounting Solutions bracket, thread that into the mount, pull it back. So now we've set that little F-shaped looking bracket to clamp on the metal bar, keeping constant tension on it so it doesn't rotate. Get this screw good and snug. Now we're going to reinstall the 2 Phillips screws that were removed initially. Next, we're going to take the 5-inch Picatinny rail and install it over the faceplate. Doesn't matter what direction you put it in, it goes either way. By the way, dude, nice 80. Bolt Point gives you 6 fasteners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure this is orientated the correct position. Install it using an M5 Allen wrench. All right, from there, we're going to take the 20mm mounting ball and remove this screw. And the reason why, when the screw is left in place, it sticks up a little bit too proud and it just barely touches the dash. So in the kit we provide, we include a smaller head height bolt that will allow for proper clearance. Pick the desired position you want, and just so you know, you can fit one there, 2, 3, fit 3. A total of 3 balls, and they also offer these in a 1-inch or 25mm ball as well for mounting additional accessories. Get that good and snug. And the reason why I chose this Picatinny rail mount versus the ram mount balls, a lot of the other useless cubby inserts, you thread in the ram balls and you have to thread on an anti-rotation device so they don't spin out under load. These can't. Obviously, it's square, Picatinny rail, it can't rotate out. And I created this mount because it's got a much cleaner, more of an OEM style look, and there is a plethora of options to mount ham radios, CB radios, GPSs, 2-way radios, you name it. Tremendous amount of options that Bolt Point offers. I elected to go with this. We do not sell it, but I elected to go with that. And the reason why is I daily drive my 80. I love this thing. And this allows a secure attachment point for my phone, MagSafe compatible. And the cool thing is when you put your phone in there, it grabs onto it, holds it in place, and charges while you drive. So again, rock solid mount, 3 points of contact, not going anywhere. It'll hold up to the abuse you can throw at it. If y'all have any questions, be sure to reach out to Dirt Church Industries. Thanks for watching, and thanks for purchasing the kit. Have a good day.